Imagine a world where your home knows exactly how much energy to use, where factories fix themselves before wasting power, and where the entire city grid adjusts in real time to save electricity. This isn't science fiction, it's artificial intelligence in action. In this video, we'll show you how AI is transforming energy saving and leading us toward a smarter, greener planet. Let's break it down. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to computer systems that can learn, adapt, and make decisions. And when it comes to energy, that means spotting inefficiencies, predicting demand, and taking action faster than any human could.
Segment 1. Smart Buildings and Homes. In smart buildings, AI systems monitor occupancy, temperature, and even sunlight. They adjust lighting, heating, and cooling on the fly, reducing energy waste without compromising comfort. In homes, smart thermostats like Google Nest or Ecobee learn your habits. They lower the AC when you're not home and heat up the house just before you return. Some households save 10 to 15% on energy bills just by using AI. Segment 2. Industry and Manufacturing. Now scale that up to industrial facilities. AI monitors heavy machinery, checks for signs of wear, and predicts failures before they happen. Why does that matter? Because failing or inefficient machines can consume huge amounts of unnecessary energy. Companies like Siemens use AI-powered platforms to track energy usage across factories and optimize operations. This not only saves power, it boosts productivity too. Segment 3. The Smart Grid. A smart grid is an electricity network that uses AI to manage energy flow dynamically. Let's say it's a hot summer afternoon. The demand for electricity spikes. AI predicts this based on historical data, weather forecasts, and current usage. It can then shift load, tap into local solar panels, or reduce power to non-essential devices, all automatically. This prevents blackouts, reduces stress on the system, and saves energy. Segment 4. Renewable Energy Management. AI is a game changer for renewable energy. Solar and wind energy are clean, but unpredictable. AI forecasts how much power will be produced and balances that with demand. It tells batteries when to store energy and when to release it to the grid. That means more efficient use of renewable sources and less dependence on fossil fuels. Segment 5. Electric Vehicles and Smart Charging. Electric vehicles are growing fast. But if everyone charges at once, it could overload the grid. That's where AI steps in. Smart EV chargers detect peak and off-peak times, grid status, and your driving schedule. They then charge a car when energy is cheapest and cleanest, saving you money and reducing pressure on the system. Segment 6. Real-world Impact. Google used DeepMind AI to cut cooling energy in its data centers by 40%. Amazon uses AI to reduce server loads and power usage. Even cities are using AI to manage traffic lights, reduce fuel consumption, and optimize street lighting. AI isn't just about robots or data. It's about real-world impact on the environment, on your wallet, and on the future of our planet. From your living room to the largest power stations, AI is making energy cleaner, smarter, and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech-powered sustainability content. Got a question or an idea? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay green.